I gave my niggas some ice and they put that hard away, hard away. I gave my niggas some ice and they put that hard away, hard away. I gave my niggas some ice and they put that hard away, hard away, hard away. They put that hard away. I gave my niggas some ice and they put that hard away, hard away, hard away. They put that hard away. I gave my niggas some ice and they put that hard away. I done helped some nigga really get money that really ain't need. These niggas be sneaking evil. I took your heart away. To get you some money, you need some hard, yeah. My shooters, they jump out with K, break down plays. Sky the Pippins, ain't no hard away. I said, fuck, yeah. I said, I by the pound. I make my nigga put that hard away. We all straight in the Queen City with the pills on me. Trafficking guns, I'm learning by swiping. 700 for a rifle, 32 for a bag of that long way. I'm trying to get paid, fade away like I'm MJ in the hallways. Done serve some work in some hard places. Bitch nigga seen a real nigga take it hard away. A little nigga went hard for day. Birdman went the hard way. Eldorado, that's a hard case. Street nigga make him do what he say. Columbia, Georgia, this a hell of a place. Murder rate done escalated. Gang banging, they ain't faking. Retaliation in the mall with it. Know some crip nigga hollering Freeze. Done caught him a milk case. Real nigga, they take it the hard way. Trafficking charging no bunny day. 40 months, they gon' send you the haze. Making state, it's unlimited place. Hard leg with some hard time. Ain't nowhere to hide, they feeding our pride. Little niggas with the big crime. Old school wanna die for some iron. I done beat some hard cases. Done rock with some niggas I knew they were faking. High speed chasing, life in the console. Your nigga get killed and look who done fucking told. Downtown nigga, I wrote with my soul. It GD or nothing, they know I ain't bluffing. I see some hard face, imagine a nigga that shot you. Been Tyson kids, it make you change a little. You watching the gang a little. I'm serving these niggas, my finger on the trigger. Cold cats, that's the hard way. They go in the grave to stand on one of these little pussy niggas and shoot them in their face. Chopper bullet hit you from long distance, ain't leaving no witness. Me and Lowe's, we done tricked them on Winston. Luke G, that my little nigga. Tapping and work, he holler with crack and reply with mackin', and he on some dog shit. And I got the dog food, Birdie shot with me. I get it for cheap, I'm a real fucking pharmacy. I bargain with beans, so much milk, think I'm growing this shit. FBI, that's the hard way. DEA, that's the hard way. ATF, them some hard cases. 06, shootouts in broad day. We beat with the whole city, and losing MJ was a hard thing. It was back to back, my brother and Birdman, Mailman. Duck was a little deeper. I stamped Boop and I ain't one of the people. Napoleon, Christopher Columbus, can't wait till it drop. CLG, I'm back on my shit. FRG, man, we back with the bricks. Back on my squad shit. I know they gon' hate this. I'm running and gunning like Matrix. He ordered a deuce, I whooped up a baby. A 4-way done jump quick. I pull up on Croc, he back on that grind shit. 366, they say we won't sleep on that bitch. I need the extras and that's what I grind for. The walk in the fetish, they know that I'm eat. I'm serving a nigga that tipping. Call the stage from a nigga that serving me. I want a nigga that get it for cheap. I shot with my G's. A collaboration with Chief is all that I need. Until then, I'm serving these trees. Telling my nigga put the heart away. They get you some money, you get you some ice, you really get paid. We put that hard away. I gave my young nigga some ice and he put that hard away. They put that hard away. I put the ice in the projects and they put that hard away. They put that hard away. I put the ice in the projects and they put that hard away. They put that hard away. I put the ice in the project, nigga. I put the ice in the project, nigga.